Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your availability on JobToday. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that you have to click on your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then you can see that orange dot, and it said that I'm available but not immediately. So this is my availability right now, but I can change it if I click on that yellow circle, and it says that let employers know when you are available to start working. So you have three options. I'm available for immediate start, I'm available but not immediately, I'm not available for offers. So you can change between these options, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.